Hey traders, today we're taking a hard look at BYDFI. BYDFI has recently come under scrutiny due to the lack of available information, raising significant concerns for potential users. Key features: user-friendly interface. BYDFI is designed to cater to both novice and experienced traders. The platform offers a straightforward interface that simplifies the trading process, making it accessible to users with varying levels of expertise. Diverse trading options. BYDFI supports a wide range of trading options, including spot trading, contract trading, and copy trading. This diversity allows users to choose trading strategies that best suit their needs and risk tolerance. Security measures. The platform emphasizes security, employing multiple layers of protection to safeguard user assets. These measures include cold storage for funds, two-factor authentication, 2FA, and regular security audits. Regulatory compliance. BYDFI operates under regulatory frameworks in several jurisdictions, enhancing its credibility and trustworthiness. The platform is registered with the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, FinCEN, in the United States, which adds a layer of legitimacy. User feedback. Positive reviews. On Trustpilot, BYDFI has received generally positive feedback, with users praising its ease of use, customer support, and the variety of trading options available. The platform's educational resources are also highlighted as a valuable feature for new traders. Negative reviews. Some users have reported issues related to withdrawal delays and customer service response times. While these complaints are not uncommon in the cryptocurrency space, they are worth noting for potential users. Red flags to consider. Market volatility. As with any cryptocurrency trading platform, users should be aware of the inherent volatility in the market. High leverage options can amplify both gains and losses, making it crucial for traders to exercise caution. Regulatory changes. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies is continually evolving. Users should stay informed about changes that could impact their trading activities on BYDFI. Protecting yourself. Conduct due diligence. Before engaging with any trading platform, including BYDFI, conduct thorough research. Verify regulatory compliance and read user reviews from multiple sources. Use security features. Enable all available security features such as 2FA to protect your account from unauthorized access. Seek professional advice. If you've been scammed by BYDFI, there are resources available, but exercise caution. Avoid being a victim of another get-your-money-back-quick scam. Instead, contact brokercomplaintalert.com to get a free consultation and recovery service. We provide recommendations to get help in recovering the lost funds. Report your case to us. You can find the link in the video description. Before you invest with any broker, do your homework. Read independent reviews, check their regulations,